Hello everyone, so today I will share how to create relaxing anime reels video for free. So let me first show you how much views these videos are getting in Insta and Facebook. So this is our Instagram account, and as you can see the views they are getting, this is the likes. As you can see the views is 107 million, 34 million, 55 million, and these are the likes. And let me show some of the recent videos they have posted. It is 153k, 207k, 367k, and these are the views they are getting. And you can create similar videos absolutely free without any type of paid apps. And let me show you how you can do that. So first you have to go to Google, and here I will just type anime peaceful reels, and let me tell you that you can create all of this using a mobile or a laptop or anything you want. So there is no limitation like you have to use a laptop or something. So you easily create the same using a mobile phone also. So like for example, I want to use this image, so I will just click on it, right click it, click on save image as, and I will just save the image. Okay, and after that I will just come to ChatGPT, and you have to create a free account here. You don't need to upgrade. As you can see, I haven't upgraded here also. So after that, click on this plus icon, and after that, click on add photos and files. Okay, and just upload the image. And as you can see, it is uploaded. Now just write here, can you help me write prompt for making this type of image. Okay, and just click on enter, or you can just click on this icon also, so anything will work. So as you can see, it is analyzing image, and here it will write the prompt for us. So as you can see, it has written the prompt, and now we will take the help of Canva to design the image. You can also design the image from ChatGPT also, but I feel Canva's image are very much in detailed, and you can create similar images using Canva. So let's go to Canva now. And as you can see, this is the home page of Canva, and now I will click on Canva AI. And after that, click on image. Okay, and as you can see, this is the default settings. Now we have to change the default settings of 16:9 to 9:16 because we want to create the reels. So the official reels dimension is 9:16, so we will use that. Okay, and after that I will just go here and copy the total prompt here, and also the negative part also, and just copy it by pressing Ctrl+C, or you can just copy it by pressing this right click here, and after that just paste it here using Ctrl+V, and after that click on this icon, or you can just click on enter. So as you can see, it has generated me 4 different types of images, and personally I like this image. And after you can just download it from here, but if you have a pro account and if you want to just boost the resolution, you can only do that if you have a pro account. But even if you don't have, no problem in that, you can just download it directly. Okay, so it is downloaded. Now the main part in here comes the animation part. As you can know that most of the apps the ones which we know easily are all paid here, but we have an app which can animate the video for us for absolutely free. So let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so this is the Meta AI, and this is the version of Facebook, and you can generate AI videos and images from here. And to log in here, you need a Facebook account or an Instagram account. You can easily log in here, and you don't need to upgrade or buy any type of offers or plans here, you just need to log in, and after that just click on create a video from my photo. Just click in here, okay, and just upload the image here, and here write frame. So just write in here, frame must be static but animate it as peaceful scene. Okay, just keep it like that, and in the video section make sure it is a video and just click on animate, and it will take some time to create the video, and when the video is ready I will show you how it looks and how you can use it. So as you can see, this is a very beautifully done animation, and as you can see the legs are moving, the leaves are falling, and the frame is also static, and the ones which we required is exactly what we are getting here. And after that, when you need to download, you just click in here and you can download it. In mobile version you will get the download icon here, the icon will be three dots or this icon. So just click on download and your work will be done, and like this you can create n number of videos, and you can just upload it directly on Instagram. And to add the music, you just need to use the Instagram's official music, because if you just use any type of external music, maybe Instagram or Facebook won't allow you to use that. You might get some issue while uploading, so it's better to use the Instagram music or the Facebook music, whatever you use to post the animation video, and you can get high traffic using this type of videos. So hope you like this tutorial. This is something different which I tried from my normal videos which I make the tutorials using only Canva. So this is something different which I tried. Hope you liked it, and if you like, please let me know in the comments, because your comments help me understand and help me grow, and your daily feedback help me design new tutorials for you. So please subscribe and please comment and let me know which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.